I chose to come to the training because I've had some EFT done on me before and I knew that it worked really, really well for me. And I guess I wanted more of that and wanted to learn more to help myself and potentially help others. And I thought that that could be something that I might like to explore further and might be able to do as my own business. So I'm excited with what I've learned and a lot more to do. I guess my concerns with coming were how good are the trainers going to be? Am I going to get value for money? 6 days is a long time to give up. Is it going to be worth it? But it's been more than worth it. It's been really good. I did quite a lot of research to find good training, and all of the other ones that I found were much shorter. Most of them weren't face-to-face, and I really felt that to do it justice and to do it properly, one, I wanted to be face-to-face, and two, the time taken to really go in depth would be really beneficial. I guess I was surprised how hands-on and practical it was working on other people, but that just made me want to be a practitioner even more, so that's really good. I've found through the work that we've been doing, I've gone to some of my deeper core issues and am collapsing some of the things that are going on for me. So I'm really excited to carry on with this, and in a way I feel like the training is just the beginning, which is why I really want to carry on to the practitioner programme so that I can do lots of swaps and get lots of benefits from other people as well. It's been a really warm and welcoming environment to be in. It's felt very safe, lots of other lovely people. The trainers are really open and supportive and making the whole place feel safe and comfortable. I would say definitely do it. It's really good. I'm really glad I signed up for level 2 at the same time. I wondered whether I should do that or save it to later. Do it, it's really good.